everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to share my haul from Nykaa's Pink Love Sale. Also I've got few things from Myntra. This time I have spent a lot of money and I don't know why I got so crazy. I even got few stuff from Bath and Body Works. I visited my nearby store and I picked up few things from there, and Bath and Body Works also had some Valentine's Day sale, so I had to indulge myself and get few things here and there. And now without any more further delay, let's just jump straight into the video. I have restocked on my favorite essential makeup and skincare, and everything is in this tray. Also I'm trying out something new in high-end and luxury, so let's start one by one. Let me start with my Myntra order first. Alright, so let's start with the first product from Myntra is the hyaluronic acid. Now this is the third bottle, you guys. I have been loving it all this while. Entire winter I have used it and it has nicely kept my skin hydrated and provide all the moisturization that I needed. And the next one I restock on my 100% plant derived squalane. Now this is my second bottle, you guys, and I have used this as my last step after all my skincare process, and then I use this and really I can tell you it is very lightweight. It just seeps into your skin and provides a lot of hydration. And the next one is Minimalist 10% vitamin C serum. Oh my god, I can't tell you how much I love this serum, you guys. Now this has helped a lot to clear out my skin, to reduce some pigmentation and darkness here and there. So yes, I can't stop using this. If I don't get a better one than this, then I will keep continuing to this one. And the new one I got from Minimalist is this 10% multi-peptide face serum. This I will be trying it out for the first time, and this is specially used at night. So let me see how I like it or I don't. I will tell you more about it once I have used it for few months, or you can say for 1 to 2 months. I have to try it out and then I'll let you know whether I like it or not. And with my Minimalist order I received this Minimalist the Daily Radiance Ritual Kit, and in this kit you get 3 mini products. Let me just show you one by one. Alright, so you get this mini 10% vitamin C serum. This is very ideal to carry whenever you are traveling. Then I got this mini light fluid SPF 50 sunscreen, and then I got this alpha lipoic plus glycolic cleanser. So you get these 3 in a kit, and I think it's really helpful to try out something new, and if you like it you can get a full size. Now I already have used a 10% vitamin C serum, so I know how it actually works on my dry and matured skin, but I am very excited to try out these 2 minis. And the next product I got from Myntra is the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. I picked up the shade 4W1 Sun Tan, and this I had in my wish list everywhere, on Nykaa, on Sephora, on Tira, on Myntra, and I saw everywhere. I think I got the best deal on Myntra, and that's the reason I picked up this, and I will be definitely sharing my part of review. I know I'm pretty late, but it's never too late to share my thoughts, what I feel about this product. And then I got this Laura Mercier translucent powder as a freebie. Alright, so now coming to my Bath and Body Works, I picked up 2 of their single wick candle. This one is in the variant Island Margarita. You get 227 grams of product, and this particular candle retails for $2,099. It was on 60% off, and I paid $840 for this, and it smells amazing, like fruity fragrance. It's like mixture of pineapple, guava, I don't know, I could be wrong, but it smells amazing, you guys. And the next single wick candle I picked up is the Waikiki Beach Coconut, and it is also a very beautiful coconutty vanilla fragrance. I really love the fragrance, you guys. When you sniff it, it just takes you to some exotic beach holidays. And this particular retails for 2299. I think after 60% it could be somewhere around 900. I don't know, because I have spent so much money this time that I don't even remember the count of money I actually spent. And I even picked up their body wash, but that I already gave it to my mom-in-law, and she really loves Bath and Body Works, fragrance. The first time she used it, she was like, please get me one. So this time we got her a body wash, and I already gave it to her, so I don't have it with me to show it with you guys. So yes, these two were the candles which I received at 60% off. Alright, so now coming to my Nykaa order. The first thing, whenever this product goes on sale, I have to restock this because it's one of my favorite face wash from Simple. It is their moisturizing face wash. It is 150 ml tube. You also get 100 ml tube in this. Now this particular product, I have been using it for many years now, and I don't think I had switched to any other face wash than this, because I really love how actually my dry skin feels after using this face wash. So whenever this goes on sale, it has to be there in my haul video, and I think I paid 239, so it was really a very good deal. Then guys, I had to pick up the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. This is a 35 ml bottle. I picked up the shade M17, and I am definitely coming up with a review, so don't worry about that. Look at the packaging. Oh my god, it actually feels luxe. It feels like you are holding actually a luxury product in your hand. And this is the inner packaging. I'm sure you all must have seen it by now. Comes with a pump, which is a great thing, and why not? You are paying 5,900 for a foundation. Definitely you need a pump. And yes, I picked up this in discount, so yeah. Next, I restocked on my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder. This is the mini size, and I picked up just before the Pink Love sale started. It was on 41% off, and this one mini size just lasts me for really long time, because the one I'm currently using, I have used it for more than 5 months and it is still going strong. So I thought, because I am getting it at such a great price, why not restock it? Because during Nykaa sale, I won't get any discount on this mini product. So yes, that was a right time I picked up this, and I think I paid 16.23. And if you're someone who is looking out for this powder to try it out, you can go for a mini size. It's really very long lasting, you guys. Like, you can pull off this mini size for more than 8 to 9 months, I can say that. Alright, so next I picked up from their Insight Skin Essential Vitamin C Glutathione Radiant Glow Face Serum. I just picked up this to see how actually Insight Cosmetics skincare product is. I know I'll be putting my skin into a risk, but why not? I am a content creator, so definitely I have to try out couple of things on my face before sharing my review whether it is worth the money or not. There was some offer discount, plus if you buy two you get 10% off, so that's the reason I bought it. And yeah, this is for all skin types, and it also has lot of active ingredient in this, and you get 30 ml of quantity, and this is for rupees 299. And this is how the inner packaging actually looks like, which I haven't seen it myself personally. So it comes in this dark bottle, which is going to protect from the sunlight that is coming from outside. And yes, I really love the thing that they come with a dropper, and yes, it's absolutely clear and very fluidy, you guys, very fluidy. So I will try out this and let you guys know how actually it is for my dry and matured skin type. Next, I picked up two products from the new brand launch on Nykaa, and it is exclusive to Nykaa. I'm talking about the T-Fit brand, you guys. It has just launched, and when I saw it in the morning, I had to place my order for these two products, and I got their viral concealer pot in the shade dark. I'm not going to open the packaging at the moment because I'm going to do a complete first impression, so I don't want to swatch it at the moment or see it at the moment. I just want to give my first impression how actually it is for Indian skin type and for a dry and matured skin girl. Alright, so the next one I got is this Radiance Fit Serum Foundation, and I picked up the shade N05 Toffee. So here you will find the shade name and number, and also you get about 30 grams or 30 ml, yes, 30 grams of product. And Also, this is sealed completely, so I am going to do a first impression. You will have to keep your eyes on my video, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you are notified every time I upload a new video, because on my channel you'll find various of contents like products review, comparison, haul, and get ready with me, and many more stuff. So if you're close enough to my skin tone and have a similar skin type, then I think my videos shall be really very helpful for you. Next, I picked up one product from my favorite brand, and it has to be the Swiss Beauty High on Cover Liquid Concealer. This time I went with two shades up, and I picked up the shade 3.5, which suits dusky to deeper skin tone. Let me just show you the shade. This is how actually it looks like, and this is how the shade 3.5 looks on my brown skin. Now I can say that it has a kind of olivish tone to it, and it is like warm in undertone, that I can say. And today also I have used this to highlight the center of my face and under my eyes, and I really love the concealer texture. It is very lightweight, it does not settle in my crease lines or fine lines, and it just blends out effortlessly. It's very much hydrating, you guys, so that is why I anyways had a mind to pick up one shade up or two shade up for my skin tone, and this time I finally did it, and I'm really very happy with the shade that I picked up. Next, I picked up my favorite eyebrow pencil from Mars, which is their Brow Better eyebrow pencil. Now this is in the shade 02 dark brown, which suits my brow hair color. Now this one product is something that retails under rupees 70, and the quality of product is top notch. I have already included this in my Nykaa Pink Love Sale affordable makeup recommendation. You guys, I really love it, and I think I'm going to get another backup of this, because I'm going to surely stick to this, because this under 70 rupees eyebrow pencil does a lot of job that most of the high-end drugstore eyebrow pencil does. And if you are someone going to college, if you have just started with makeup, want something under budget but gives you quality product, you should try this eyebrow pencil. I bet you will not regret it. I'm so excited to share that I picked up another variant from the Mars Blooming Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the variant Dahlia, and I already told you that if it goes on good discount, then I will surely pick up another, because I really love the formulation of these eyeshadow palette. Look at the packaging, it looks so luxe when you hold it in your hand. Look at the tones of this eyeshadow. It's pinks and plums that is going to suit each and every skin tones in India. And this particular shade, it's so blingy, so glittery. When you keep it under the light, you will see how actually it's shining. Oh my god. And when I am seeing it now, that it is a pink base with lot of gold shimmers in it, gold and pink shimmers in it. So definitely I'm not going to swatch it now. I will do a tutorial using this eyeshadow palette. Let's see with how many eye looks I can come up with. But yeah, I really love this eyeshadow palette, and I don't think if you have the Blooming eyeshadow palette, you need the Huda Beauty ones. Alright, so next I picked up one lipstick from Inside Cosmetics, Creme Matte Mousse lipstick range. I wanted to pick up one lipstick from this range because I had heard a lot of good things about these lipstick, and the shade I picked up is number 22 Poppy, and that's how the shade looks on my brown skin. I feel that it is going to look beautiful on my bare skin, and I don't think I will need a lip liner. Let's see. I haven't tried it out yet, but I was very much interested to try out the formulation because people were raving about it. I have loved the Inside Cosmetics smudge proof lip mud. It is one of the best formulation in the affordable lipstick, you guys. So I was really very tempted and intrigued to try out this too. So I got one shade, and if I like, I will pick up more. Next, I picked up this Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade 695 Divine Wine, which I have it on my lips. Let me just give you a swatch also. Look at this shade. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful maroonish, brownish, berry wine tone. It looks such perfect, and I think these kind of shade will look more beautiful on dusky and deeper skin tone. I haven't used any lip liner today, which I think it was not needed at all, and it covered my dark lips just in one go. These lipsticks absolutely feels very much hydrating and moisturizing on the lips, and because these are creamy in nature, it is not very long wearing. If you're eating any heavy meals, it is definitely going to come off. With light meals here and there, it is still be going to be there on your lips, but heavy meals, oily food is going to make a lot of difference. But I really prefer creamy formulations like this because it doesn't dry out my lips and makes my lips feel chappy or dehydrated in any ways. That's why I prefer these lipstick from Maybelline. Next, I picked up this L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Serum. I got a mini size just to see how actually it works on my hair. Now, this was recommended to me by my friend, and she told me that it is a great product. You can use it in multiple ways, and you can use it also during your heat styling process. So that is why I got it, because I have a lot of frizzy hair that I need to tame it down to manage, and this does a wonderful job, I believe. And just because I got a mini size, I can try it out and see how suitable it is for my hair. I really love the fragrance, which is not too overpowering. It keeps my hair fresh and it does not make my hair oily in any ways. Yeah, if I finish this, definitely I'm going to get a full size, because I have been using it out for a week now. I've finished this much and I'm really loving this product a lot, thanks to my friend. Alright, now coming to the last product of this haul, has to be these two from Milani. It is their Make It Last setting spray. These are the mini sizes in setting spray. You get 35 ml of quantity, and each of these retails for rupees 300, and it is exclusively available on Hawk Makeup. I mean, the sizes is exclusively available on Hawk Makeup. So if you are wanting to pick up these mini sizes for traveling purpose, you can totally do so. It says that it is going to give you 16-hour long lasting makeup, and many of them has compared it to the Charlotte Tilbury Air Blush Flawless setting spray. So yeah, it is somewhat dupe to that. I have not noticed any when I tried these two side by side. When I went out, I haven't noticed any difference, you guys, let me be very honest. But I bought these two just because I travel a lot and I can take it along with me. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative, and if you did, you might like these two videos of mine. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.